Happy Sunday. Ụtụtụ ọma. Onye nọ na bụ Chimarin Temple ọfịa Fulani. Maka ndị na-achọ phone number. My phone number is 08038324996 or 09030752463. Onwe mkpụrụ okwu onye nchukwu, especially upcoming native doctors and upcoming dibia nwanyị. And ndị na-ejekwa bịa dibia ijegwa ọgwụ. Mgbe gboo oge ndị nna nna anyị, oge ndị nne nna anyị, because meeting my grandparents n'ọlụ nna alụ ejere m nka mmanya asị na amị alụ dibịa nọọsụ okwu my grandparents counsel ewetala oyi dibịa ọrụ. Anọ m na-aga ọdị mmadụ kpọọ gị na phone. Sometimes I'm gonna blame them. Why in your post to chat and them mother? Why in your record and them mother on the internet? I don't want them to record. Many recording here from the record on them mother on the internet. So that for you, as a human being, to learn that not anywhere you see red cloth and black cloth, you think you can go and make money there. You can't make money. No spiritual man can make you a rich man. And me queer. I cannot claim to be a good person. I'm already perfect in one. But can lay on can I can my name. Ndumodu anju ebia. Bumagandi dibia. And the upcoming the dibia wine. I can even even in Anambra State. No plan work on the oak. Or plan where you guys abuse the work. Maybe the all. When you recommend them. Only in respect. Combination each and also answer I put like this. We'll see at the government house meeting the animal. So I become one by 1 what temper able to go to more. No, so because they put out 4 ways of if one is my best wine. Who black but use with debe, wine out was the eagle. Mona roll or the back but use wine. William mother, girlfriend and mother, mamma mother. Is in the spiritual walk. You black but use your daughter. Tear mother, the map but use. More of them know the ego and put him more about the flag, which you might have fought but use debe, now fought but use wine. What is not on Facebook on put a skip one? Why you skip your non I didn't film woote? On I didn't even woote. I would even to a near come from. You guys abuse the work. Man, you know all spiritual work, the black but use Baba somebody by any me and only Bunyan Madike. Or you can do one, or you can then I tell one. Can be reason you give no busy am no the opportunity I know because of social media Facebook after a Facebook guy from Gonda Banyego where you will look at you so but somebody be liar than me you know be on use or can divine bobo sabo is that how people do it every day? If you want that non spiritual, or you the black tight, now for black tight, black neck, they be melly, whatever black, they melly. Now constitute you are not the team melly, not TFL or melly. If you want not go look at you, why not go look at you? No, why not look out? Na Facebook and na fifa ndi na ekele ike agwom on TikTok, Arume. I want to know why. Otu aka ndị nna nna anyị si mee olu omenala. Otu aka ndị nne nna anyị si mee olu omenala. Echem na dibịa arị afọ akpati ozu anyhow. Echem na onye ọbụla nne nwe kọlịn arị afọ ozu mmadụ. Onye bụ na nwere true kọlịn, otu nnọkọta na afọ ozu anyhow. But all is common, ụmụ nwaanyị na-alụzi ndị na-eze nwaanyị online. Ọ na-ebulu akpati ozu dọba non-compete na-eme ndị mmadụ abụla kata abụla sị mmadụ banyere m akpati ozu ka onye ọmụ. Unu na-emefere ife oke maka ego nke ụwa. A na-eblame Sonodu, na-eblame gọọmenti, na-eblame Ntanimoloko. Ọ bụ ụzọ bụ mmiri ọgbọcha. The bad ones ga-agba ọsọ, the good ones ya nọ. Ya mara ya na-alụ ọrụ mmụọ. Their number 08038324996. They na alụ ọrụ mmụọ na ọrụ mmanya. One, ụfọdụ n'ime unu na-eme nụ na alụ ọrụ mmụọ. Mpụ unu ma mụ unu abụrụ dibịa. My grandmother was certificate that na dem. Nwere ibe godo be m lụọ ya certificate my grandmother. Maka na ma tufu my grandmother nwe. If my grandfather nwe. Man tufu. Let's caution ourselves. Let's have boundary. Before if government we be na kesa zebe ni nekata be iwe na ewefa. Cause for the guy don't do bundo man na government no dey na. We observe everything na social media. Ma crime as you on into crime. Ife na amara ama mmam. Mana na yi black eje mmele. Ọ Nigeria movie kom na artist. Ọ bụrụ na igwe ọgwụ na ọgwụ alụ nke a dị iche. Ombere ma chi ekwege. Ihe egbusi mmadụ je gọrọ ọrụ mmụọ. Ya kpasị nkata. Ka esi bute nnukwu moto mebisi nke mmadụ ijelụba ọrụ mmụọ anaghị egbukwa ya, anaghị egbu ya. Ụfọdụ ndị na-agbabago Sonudo mgba na ife ọ na-eme adịrọzi mma na nke a na-eme asịkụ na asị. O nwere mgbe ọ nọ na abịa nwenụ ndịdị mmiri zosi ọ ya agbakọ. Anyị amalele ndị bụ ndị. They should stop it. You cannot tell me now you're a spiritualist as a female lady. You now want a broadcast casket. You don't have respect for tradition. And tell your client to lie into that casket. That you're doing spiritual work for him. Because I have a live video. Cover that door. I don't want side noise, please. You understand? How can you tell me you are a female spiritualist? You had a calling. You now brought a casket and told people to lie down inside the casket to do spiritual work for them. Don't you know you are a very stupid woman? Don't you know you are abusing the work? Don't you know you are insulting traditionalists? Can you go to Ajojo in the Anambra State? Una meet in the Dibia. Una chairman as a Dibia Boduno. Una union. The only offer of obodo. No everybody be obodo no bia kwuo iyi ofo, bia nwuo iyi ala. No no me kwai for ojo. So lukwa kpankata ndị ntọ. Lukwa kpankata ka magesi megide mmadụ ma ka ga-esi gbagbuo mmadụ n'obodo. Ana na enu tigbuo onye ma gwolo onye ori ọgwụ. Obele nwa 12 years ya bịa gwọrọ ọgwụ egbe maka ego cause of hunger. Obelengwa 12 years old boy will come, or 13 years old boy will give you money that he won't gun charm. You now give it to him. And you know that thing will not work. With his mind, with morale, that the thing will work. Let me tell you one people don't know. Even if you have the highest charm and you are spoiling somebody's own, that charm will fail you. Because there's what is called karma. Karma is a bitch. Nothing you do on this earth that will last forever. Take the history of anime. Take the history of the Rico and K. Don't you know that they are doing charm? Where are they? They ended in youth age. Even if you don't have money, even if you don't have cash with you, relax. You will make money. Listen, let me tell you people. That's why I told you people, if you're a doctor or a spiritualist, look for something else to be doing and be doing your calling. So hunger will not kill you. So hunger will not, because this spiritual work will not come every time. You do not come every time. You think every day people, clients will come. So you chop goat, you chop nama. Spiritual work, people does not come every day. Spiritual work does not come every day. That is why sometimes you have to look for something else that will be giving you money. Or your wife, you are marrying, let her be industrious. So whenever there is no money, she can use her money to buy food. So your children will eat. Because what causes all these things is that some of you will not see work. Somebody will not come with evil work because you're looking for money. You charge the person 2 million naira. And you collect the money and do that evil charm. Then tomorrow now, the person will not have problem elsewhere, maybe next 3 years. Not even now. They will handcuff you and come and bring to your house. Okay, I know that. If you say you tell her, if you say you tell her, if you say you tell her, that thing you eat that last 3 years, you vomit it at your old age. Because nothing you do that will not be exposed in terms of destroying. You guys don't know. I'm not even a mono. You cannot use what happened to other people to learn. You want it to happen to you. Let me tell you one thing, you cannot fight government too. Government is you, me, and you, and others. That is government. That is why if you are a spiritualist, if you make small money, go and invest your money so that you will be another place you can be collecting money. Not more through that spiritual, you will die in spiritual work. You have a calling does not mean that you don't have any other ambition. You have to look for something else that will be giving you money. Not more that somebody will not come to your house and not make money. You'll be doing guy. People will be begging you, come and do work for us. You'll be busy. Some people say, why do you join politics? You are crazy. I want to join politics. That's the only thing I know I can join. And can do my giveaway. And do my, what are they calling it? NGO or even or foundation. So I should be giving people money. So people will not vote for me. It's not possible. I will give people money. I will train people in school. And people will vote for me. It's give and take. You give me power. I go and use the power to come and make you feel happy. And answer my name because I want that name. I want to become a governor. I want to become a local government chairman. I want to become an House Assembly member. You have to plan yourself. Let me ask you one question now. Somebody will bring work for you, example now, and give you 5 million naira. and you tell the person that somebody's past will be there inside the work, or you will kill somebody, or you go and buy pass. Example, listen to me. After buying that pass to do that work for that person, because of 5 million naira, example, or 3 million. Some of them are not even 3 million. Some of them are even hunger people, useless people. They can take 1 million self and go and bring somebody's head and do nonsense thing. Now, example, after doing that thing now, and the person you use his head, or the person you use his pass to lose those charm, start disturbing you, they come and start reflecting to your family. The person you did charm for has gone to his house. Then you, that is the native doctor, that want your children to be useful, call. So, example now, after that thing you have done, and you have children, your children now, your children you are praying for to be useful, to have a graduate, you have a good child, you have a reasonable children. Your child should become a governor, your daughter should be in husband's house and present to your family as a good wife. After using somebody's head to do time for a visitor who you don't know that just came to your house. You now did that charm for him. That person has gone with the charm. Then that person's head you cut. The karma, you don't know the shrine that is backing that soul. You don't know the altar that is backing that person you cut his head or her head to do that charm. Tomorrow now, your children, not you, because you are a stupid man. Your own children you are looking up to will start being useless. Being useless. Being nobody. They are going no man. Hey no man. That's what you go to. But you're this thing now. What are you doing? This thing. But you're going to mention any kind of issues. So now, after that thing, your children will be useless. They will be useless. The person you have done camp for has gone. Maybe he's having his own problem. Then your first daughter, when she will go and give birth, the child will die in theater or in labor room. Your child will even die. Then your in-law will not come and start crying that his wife has died. Now you are old, seeing your children dying. Yes, so because that is what you sow, you will reap. Not this one. Government is even trying, arresting, doing all this they are doing now. The karma is coming. My hand is clean. My hand is clean. Nothing. Nobody knows what you have done in secret. Zoike, you gotta know the Igbo. You gotta know the Igbo and then so. Nobody that destroy will be free. If you think nobody, see, for me to live a luxury life, to impress you, Facebook people or people of the world, and be driving big motor or living, claiming that I'm big man, is better for me to drive keke, and my children will be good and buy me motor. Lucky. Hey, please, I don't like when I'm doing live video, you ask me much question. When I'm done with that, I'll come and read what you are saying. Please, be following up, so I will not forget this message. Please, I beg you, please. Then now, don't you have the thought? I'm a live video. I'm a live video. Then why can't you have the thought that your children will be useless? You want your children to be useful. Somebody gave you money to do charm. and you destroy somebody's own. You went and buy human being pass. You went and kill somebody. You went and do somebody's pint. You went and do somebody's bra. You want to go to the hospital and buy blood. Or to the mortuary and take people's pass there to do that charm. Then after doing that charm, the things start backfiring. Because nothing, any foundation you laid with somebody's head must collapse one day. Mark my word, that is the karma. That is why so many native doctors have mansion. Tomorrow the doctor will die. The mansion will be useless. Nobody will live in that house. Everywhere will be grass. Grass will not full everywhere. Grass. Grass. You see weeds inside the whole compound. They will not say, you know this Mr. Peter, that native doctor. Hey, when we are small, this man is a rich man. Oh. Look at his son is mad. Look at his wife is useless. Look at his daughter is useless. Look at his children are useless. This one is mad. This one is a criminal. This one is an armed robber. This one is a kidnapper. They arrested his son. They have killed him. They have killed this one. They have died. They are the one terrorizing the town. What causes all those things? It is the evil charm you did as a native doctor in your youth age is backfiring your family. Okay? I don't have 2 million naira with me. Yes, so when I'm alone, they'll feed you. But my target is my children to be useful. I don't care to know. That is why people say I reject work. I reject many work. That is why I'm poor. Yes, I have my mind. I cannot sleep. Over my dead body, when I use somebody's past and do any charm or plan any evil against my fellow man. Everybody wants to drive the highest motor. Everybody is want to competition. They want to be rich. They don't care how the money wants to come. They don't care what they did to make the money. Or I'm a spiritualist. You see that they will put dread. Look at my hair. This is pure dada. I'm dada by birth. I was born as a dada. When I was small, I have dada. First one, they cut it off. Second one, they cut it off. Third one. Even up tonight, I will comb my hair today now. The 1 hour what I'm doing with cream. Like this. I even barb my hair because I'm a counselor. Although I barb my hair. We are even on the way from spiritual work. So I can even have rest. And be able to have another time to pursue our ambition. Spiritual work, you do spiritual work, you will be very weak. Like people are rushing into. Because of money. Not everybody will be rich. Competition. You people have abused this work. You have abused this work. And I'm disappointed. Please, let me ask you one question. You that is watching me. Can you help me and share this video? So that your brother that is upcoming native doctor will know that not every day native doctor will have work. Some people now go and do charm. So customers will be coming to their house. So customers will be coming to their house. Me, go and do charm so that you'll be coming to my house on 1 grand. Some people even tie their customer. They will even use charm and tie you. If you have money, they will use charm and pin you. So you'll be giving them money like ATM. Mbada. I don't do that. I don't care. If I work for you, you work. Can't do that. If you don't work, go on that place. Maybe be God. Same price, my slogan. I cannot kill myself because I want to make you happy. Or I will commit crime. I will leave ram and goat and chicken. I will keep to the shrine. So I will pray for you and not use somebody's head. And now I'm going to go to mortuary and take mortuary people that they bait. People that they bait. Do you know one thing people don't know? Alune, man. Wahala. Serious wahala. People are saying, if they should do the whole country, I don't care. Somebody go to the mortuary and tell them that they use him taking somebody's bed. All those people that died, they use him bathing them. They will give you, drink it. You will drink that water because you want to become a hero. Somebody will tell you that he want to make you a rich man. Shrine will make you a rich man. Shrine. Is this UBN or Central Bank? You are crazy. You know, Bolo. That's why. That is why I don't make much money. Yes. Because many things work out. Hello, Baba. I want to be rich. Hello, can you make me rich? They say, hello, Baba. I want magic money. Hello, Baba. That's what they're calling me on phone every time. Hello, Baba. Babe. Hello, Baba. What na gate you? Unlisted gate. Unlisted gate. Hello, Baba. I want to be rich. Hello, Baba. I want instant money. And that is the language. Instant money. Mumu like you think that, okay, I don't want instant money. Oh, you think I don't need instant money? I want to ask you a question. Some mumus. The native daughter you are asking to make you rich. Have you asked yourself, how much does he have in his bank account? Some native daughters in the village, their children are going to the stream to fetch water. They don't even have borehole. They are living in mud house. You will not went to a mud house and tell a mud house native daughter to make you become a rich man. Because AC is, the native daughter forbids AC. It forbids good life. Okay, you now come to me after looking at me now. You say I should make you to become a rich man. You want to be poor forever because I will deal with you. Nobody can make you become a rich man except your skills. If you grow up, you do not have something doing, hunger will kill you. You will be begging food. If you like, go and be kidnapped, they will kill you. One day you will die. Only all those people that are talking nonsense on social media, hiding inside the bush. They are just talking nonsense because they are not out. You want to come out and kill somebody, and you run away. The day you kill somebody, that is the day you kill yourself. Yes. The day you kill somebody, that is the day you kill yourself. That is the law. My grandparents told me that. My grandmother called me Chedu. I said, Chedu, I said, I said, big age, what I can Igbo mother. No, but I'm not going to Igbo mother. I'm going to phone. Yes. When I was even small, I told my mother I want to become a soldier. That she said, no. My grandmother, she said, no. She said, I will bring people, I will bring cost for them. I have hot temper. Then you people will cause. Kenny, thank you very much for announcing to them. If you like the exchanging number here in this platform, they just scam you like you know. You cry and get lost. I don't care to know. If you say you want to see him, I get where they stay for counsel. I get office as counselor. I get address. Now my house that they stay. All I know is that if you're not mom. So now you have to know this thing. Be very careful. Many people has gone to native doctor's house with their friend. They never came back. They have used it for experiment. I shared one video when one boy came to do more ritual in my shrine. Some people thought he's prank. He's planning. Am I planning on a know which Am I crazy? I will never one day go to social media here and start forming so that he will start following me or start. Na lie. Let me be viral. Don't my giveaway go make me go viral. Now the true love and what I give you to your brain, now you go make you share my video. And it will help if you don't share and your brother will fall into victim. Prince Grace, you are too far from here. You're from my page. Who is a Million Willow? If I'm talking, you're calling Million Willow to my own view. As what? Million Willow is doing his own, I'm doing my own now. Are you comparing me with a Million Willow? Because I don't come out of every Sunday and start talking. I don't have time. I'm a businessman, Mr. Man. Don't you know? Ask Million Willow, he knows me very well. His mother has come to my place. They knows me. I don't have time for nonsense. So don't compare me with anybody. This is Chimaren for life. And me and person know that we no get draw. We no get draw. Me and person know I'm not compete with anybody. I better not compare me with person. If he has been telling you people, telling you that's his own way of talking. My own, whenever I on my camera, I don't plan what I would come and tell you. When I on my camera, the message come direct. I will start telling you. Take it or you leave it. My target and my goal is my children, not my clients. Let me just tell you now. Clients waiting. My children is my priority. I want to be alive, so I will feed my children in the way they will belong. The one that is going to nursing school, you came out as a nurse. I sent you to UK. I will relax. He said, Darling Bego, if I don't have money, you send me motor. Yes, so the motor I cannot be able to buy now. My children will buy it for me. The motor I did not buy now. My children will buy it for me. I have that belief. What I fail today to do for myself, my children will not fail to do it for me and to do it for themselves. Because what my father failed, I have done it for my father. So my children, I'm looking up to my children to do it for me. Likewise, every one of you. So many people have used their children's destiny to run the doctor work. So many people, they want power. God will punish all of you. So many people have used the children's destiny set by Chima and Temple. The charm you use for bringing customers to your shrine, people are coming giddy, 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 giddy. Don't you know how those that is coming giddy, giddy have something to take? Fuel when them put lights. If you like, you pour them home water. If fuel never finish, fire never stop. So I'm not here to compete with anybody. This is Chimaren. If you don't know me well, know me, I'm the one that put spiritual work on social media. When I was small. Today, the gods of the land has lifted me up. Not by only traditional way, politically. I'm a once a supervising counselor and a counselor. I give thanks to God and to Honorable Dr. Moadonone, the man that picked me. When people were telling me, no, this man is a native doctor, this man is a native doctor, he cannot relax, native doctor, they were condemning me, they were criticizing me. This boy, Prince Igbo was I allow. So if you on your camera now, this people will come and arrest you, start beating you. Those people, the people who are calling them, did they recognize me? Did they give me respect? Because I don't have private jets. Because I'm not going to Rime. I'm not going to Kesha to spray millions. Or I don't have million. And if I have that million, I will not spray it to anybody. If you like, jump up. I am not doing occasion to invite anybody to come and spray me money. You have to observe me now. Have you seen one that I'm opening house? Or think I'm not building house? I know they open any house. House warming. Warming, no, they get a warm la. Or tiki the warm or gas. House warming. You can have warm alone. In a warm room, and they'll leave all. I beg you. Oh, if India and Buddha see finish. so that people will see that you are progressing. Which kind of progressing? If you know hustle, people don't come do work for your house, you will get the money. Now, client na bring money when person take build house. Now, you don't know. Now, you do magic. Everybody, you do magic. Vote money come and take do hotel. Story kawaii. Now you won't come. Then work for you. We work for you, not with them. Me. We work for you. Work, click. You bring our money. Thanksgiving. As they bring cow, they come. They bring money. Now, move they sample money for social media. Man, anybody want to see the sample money for social media? A foolish person. Now, money is rude. Now, money is rude. Any man that comes on social media start posting money, a spiritualist, is a bastard. Sent by Chima in Temple. Allah Pubu, people have casted this work. You brought money, 8 million, 5 million, came on the table, and be doing Canada. You are a coward, you are a poor man, you are a stinking man. Do you have money? You do have money. Who is the richest man in this world? You know your account number. You know other people's account number, account balance. This is how you will lure you to kidnapping and armed robbery. Because of they want to make money. Easy money. Somebody will hustle in the street, finish and come out to relax. You carry that person and enter inside building. They buy for ransom. God punish your generation. Some of them are doing it now. Can you say you come out? Okay? Me, I no get money. I be bad market. Sure, I'm say you won't kill me, but you will kill me. But no, if you kill me. But no, if you kill me. If you see me hate me, God will punish you. I tell you the truth. Okay, this I know if you go come. This I know if you do farming. Tell my wife people go there withdraw money for bank. I be say I know if you come account and give 5 million naira, 7 million. I sample and they do video. It is if you don't do it. I feel do it, but I don't go do it. What am I teaching the youth? What am I teaching my children? My children, the children I gave birth to. Now I see that is praying, carrying money on social media. Or 1 grand. You are attracting evil to yourself. You are attracting evil to yourself. Many people are being in problem by themselves. If you make money, you eat your money, you mind your way, you plan your life, you plan your children's life on how they should grow and go to a good school. Because we are not more educated based on intellectual calling. That is the problem. Anybody that has calling does not further education much. Because if you start disturbing you when you are small. We attend many schools. I attend missionary schools. Different schools. You do business. Business will not work for you. You put hand here, nothing will work for you. Start doing your calling. People will start coming. Anybody, not much, you cannot know about the whole charm. The one you have, you are doing, focus on it. You will grow. You will grow from it. Not all charm that you ought to have. The one you have, use it well. Open in and walk in what do you Malay? People will fool your house. In that one stroke, people will fool your house. The idea they specialize in all in. And did away for now. Ejimalian. You know that's a baketa, Nasaba, Cable. Jordan them mother batoni papa, Chema Ren. Look, I say, Chema Ren, my grandmother and me, nay, no, now one the oil. I figure now. Many children are like my grandmother about Buketa and Sia wine. The more about Fanny could talk with them, Mafogama, and then far from. Yes, I can any moment of my queen. Shana Ombuchid. That's my name. Akwa Okuko. My grandmother was medium millie. I don't know millie. My grandma, Asikade, was on this local ship. We were born and brought up in Asaba, Cable Point. I was born, brought up in Asaba. You cannot say you want to make money whereby you don't have a skill. You have a skill. Panemita is skill. Mechanic is skill. Tailor is skill. Hairdresser is skill. It is a bar show. Talking about who is a bar show. And you will all go there bar show. Let me ask you a question. Oh, well, you are a fool by listening to your mother go there bar show. Why the bar show? And I have one young my Bologna show. You promote evil and call it culture and tradition. You destroy people's children. And you want your own children to be useful. You advertise the annet of Kenya Madog, or the Naladi, go and name a prostitution. You won't way Dibia, you won't way elderly man, you won't way father, you won't way elder. And give one in the look up to. Gonna address if them. How about you know what do the log by you? We on social media. Content creators. Maybe still line on low man. Well, on the watch. I have power. I have super. I have this. Well, the highest power in the world, but you can't. If there is no God, there is no God. God is the highest person that's not one. Chukwu si na yes n'aka mmadụ wee bunya moto. Ọsọkwa ikwunye onye mmeli. Chukwu ya azụ onye ekpele, onye bless with moto. Ọgwụ a na-agwọ wee na-agwọta moto, abụrụ oke ọgwụ. Ọ ya bụ obele ọgwụ maka Chukwu tinye ya anya moto n'aka onye. You want to drive motor, right? You want to become a rich man, right? You want to live a good house. Check all of them. They didn't name one on social media. They are just building. They are just building. They are just bragging. They are not even. They don't even have two buildings. Keba job we. Watch go the way they go. I last in Akai. I'm not last in Akai now because you are I pass a car. Money will why your long could get a cheap. If we get the look, about 2,000 kg if we use well Macalega Mambia. Dibia and Wempa. Dibia and Wempa. Look at this now, Dibia Bagara Balakiana, regrettable no. Obla Jolo. Na backfire na tipu si ego ndị a n'aka akali ogoli ya na asị ma ogi na-eme yi ndị a na-agbakọtego ya azụ ọbalakago nwa yi atu afọ a na black give afọ ya n'ebe Albert one love you knows me too well. I'm a mama, man, if I have inheritance can now. Social media are assassin. Didn't indicate when you never know an affirm. Didn't have an assassin affirm. Malamos, which will know a bit of defend them. I'll give my own private jet tata. Mahato and mail order. No, I'm not a Mocatano on Busa. If I'm will go more wise, but I'm married because of my children. A woman not on my tongue come nanny. And I long a woman, fear, no more got useful. I don't have to you. I want to escort, Moto Canan, and Blue to Monaga Lomon, the person was on Jose, a job I don't say. I want to skeleton in my cupboard. One of my age Asia. If we are my Amalia. Now look at a Dibia, look at a Dibia, low time when I get graduate, or not an accident. Moto never know. Moto man was here because of his phone. Don't you know one person head can cause a serious fatal accident that will destroy many people's lives? Some people will say I'm talking nonsense, but I'm telling you the truth. An irresponsible attitude. People of the world, because of money, you forgot about karma and reality of the world. You destroy someone's child and you want the child to be useful. your child will be useless because you twat. It talks an irresponsible talk to the community because of money. What is money? The root of all evil. What is poverty? The way you place yourself. There are money you make today. Tomorrow you cannot see the money around you anymore. You may be a sick bed. All the whole money will waste. And nobody will take care of you. Because you are evil. You have destroyed people's children. Being a spiritual leader doesn't mean you have the priority to tell me that you want to do charm for someone to go and steal. You protect an armed robber. You give him charm to go and steal. And you think you are doing the rightful thing. You say you have gun charm. Check all of them that they say they have gun charm. When police people shoot them, you used to enter them. Because that charm has run away. Yes, so you don't protect yourself now. You want to go and protect. So when you are stealing, when police shoot you, don't enter. Thunder fire you. All the whole charm you people have, I have tied it. It will not work again from today. In fact, from last week I'm the time, man. If one day I would that House of Assembly, that thing pains me. A man succeeded with a House of Assembly member at his youth age, 40 years old, with future, with Kiru Anambra State in future. Kaomu refrat, peanuts, waka or dwarfed, non-entity, Eskimos, Ndiala, Scalawise, but I won't know what your mother, boy, when he's nearly 100 million naira. Why after taking him, why to leave the man alive? And if the evil that men do lives after them. Now, and live before them. You choose one. It must come to pass in your life. Government in the time now do vocal. But I want that get the lamb of Ebelu. About half a hang Yaffa. Only hang one act of an easy. Couple of an let them die painful death. Or never could die. Yes. For they kill somebody's father, somebody's uncle, somebody's friend, a very calm man. He came out reposted it in his account. Material. That was why I took the picture. I felt so. I don't put people obituary in my account. It may last like 3 days. I will delete it. From my account, I saw obituary. But I am forceful to do that because I felt so bad. Maria Patabu 1 year, Makagon Cove. Didn't know the book of us in more fiance or the book of us, your mother. If we're not going to more like people, you kidnap or demand for ransom. Or if you go punish you, go look for work and walk. May the evil you do today strike your direction to pains. You destroy people's plan and think your own will be good. Only when you will be a bastard. May all the evil charm you produce to penetrate by the power invested on me for having this call as a spiritual leader, may all the evil charm fade and people shall be put to shame. Set by me, Chima and Temple. And whenever you are running, you will not run far. You'll be close to those who will capture you to repay you back with the evil you plot for people. After this live video, you can call me on phone. After this live video, you can call me on phone. After this live video, you can call me on phone. My phone number is 08038324996. 09030752463. 08088846137. Yes, Solido is doing well. Yes, so. They don't allow me to even travel to go and see my in-laws. For how many years now I'm not in Igbo? I'm not in Igbo. In the side of the east, another one day, still a place, 1 hour. It's here, but what did you parana? Ndiala. Makana no isi ya dem madu na mi fe anyhow. Umwaje ole agwo ogu. Buzagas. Anambra dem makate fuzi amu ndene no ane ka so like mu na ala mmanya. Mo no bo azaza. Dene ba na enwa anwole. So libe m na ere nku. ma ife njisi kote na mara man na erezi anya mara man bazi east ibu na ijebu east mgbe agwọla ya ụgba gwọla ya isi ewu relax ya nkịta ị na-agazi kọmọ nke nkịtị na-atụkụziri ndị mmadụ ewu ifo ndị na-agba ọsọ soro agbaba ọsọ. Francis Chikezie, I don't blame you now. All of you are the same. You are very stupid, but I say all of you are the same. I'm off you. On what ground? I blame you. I kill your baby, I kill your man. Drama to I will block you because you are a very stupid person for coming here to comment. All of you are God punish you. I will the same. The same. And I got toy. I will able to go mad one day, more plan Igbo mother. And I had to I'm able to mother. I plan to Igbo mother. I plan to be kidnapped mother. Francis Chikes here. You will die prematurely, and it blow you the boy. I'm off you. Those abandon me. Nonsense man. Yes, so you pour me in boy on my poison. I use my tongue to curse and to bless. And curse why if I don't like it one. So able Libya, my Lord now. More na Asaba, no come Anambra. Na Asaba a day. And Asaba nothing like this. And then you get a while and I lose the wine. Then I will be the best and the back of studio. I want to hear. You will 2 by 2 watch your as it is. But because I'm going to phone, that's why I'm required there being on every back. So come on, just know we long way come we. Even though it cross the bridge, repent here. I will Bible, blue. Alume, I'm not there. Cast your law. I saw one woman carrying casket on TikTok. My wife showed me. Not even spiritual work. I was asking, okay, Bulum, our grandparents, why are not faculty? Why are not faculty? Okay, I'm going to faculty to Fiapa. I'm not talking about pastor here. I'm talking about native doctors. My fellow native doctors can now watch it earlier. I want to know look at all of them then I'll native doctor and all that. If I do all up here one day you want to look all. See, no a month, you got my phone way go. You go to Libya. So probably need to come back here now. That is why we select to work. People say they check why did you like posting people? If they came to do money ritual in your shrine, yes, I will post them. Because that place is not UBA. It's not FCMB or CBN. Shrine will be CBN. Then they print money for shrine. So you won't find money come shrine. You get plan. I will video you. Tell you say this thing no get ahead. You know, if you not eat desperate, Did you know one thing? Many people have died. Many people have died because of this thing. Ask me those things that people have died for. Hello, my friend. There is a place they say that we are going to go in Ejabode. Or there's a place we are going in Ejabode. They say that this man will make us to become a rich man. The man has given you address, or you saw the address on Facebook. You did not tell your parents. You did not tell your sisters. You did not tell your siblings where you are going to. You now went to that place. They don't say people should sleep. That are doing the work in midnight. They may bring drug. Ogola, tienime tea, tionola, elasia the ogo, elebri, Libya, a willing wire, boy, mea in oko, see eba, molie, remotely, no. You will like I do the long. That is why anywhere you are going, tell your people, so you will not go and die mysteriously. Nobody will know your whereabouts. Many people have lost today. Many people have lost. Said by me, Chimaren, get one thing, Alune me. Believe me, don't skip this video. Share this video. If there's one I talk you not like, calm down, you will hear the one that you will like. That is reality. It's happening. People are lost. People are lost every day, every week. Hello, my friend, escort me to this place. Don't they want to go and kill you? Many things are happening under this earth. On this earth, sorry. When you are going to, do you know the place? Do you know the plan they have for you? You want to become a rich man. They will not use you for experiment. You that came to go and become a rich man, they will not kill you. You will not come back again. They may push you into pit. You will fall. They may put iron, sharp objects, and cement it there. When you fall, the thing will not choke you. You will die inside the pit there. They may be killing you, taking your past, and be doing nonsense then. Pour you IC at last. Nobody will know your whereabouts. So many girls are lost today because they are doing a shower prostitution work. They will hang out with their friend. They will not be able to kill them. Just a night. They will price you 100,000, 200,000. You collect. You think it's real money. You don't even want to kill you. They will lure you to death. I'm not stressed. All in the name of spiritual work. And people have done spiritual work with one pass and they do not even work. You have committed crime, you have killed somebody. You kill somebody, the work did not even work again. Two sin at a spot in your head. And you are living a life of sorrow. Whenever you remember you killed somebody, your mind will not be at rest. Do you think anybody that kills somebody, you think it's easy? Do you think it's easy? Do you think it's easy? Learn. Don't follow me because you want to follow me, come and do time on my hand. No. Follow me to learn. Follow me, even if you hate me. Gante. Give me one Igbo. Listen attentively. Be very close to your children. Advise your children. Talk to your children. Hello, my child. Come and listen to what this man is saying. Know how you follow people. Know how you work with people. Know how you hang out with people. Okay, example now. Let me see if I can see this video. Phone na Akwa Okuko. Ndi alo dibia. I want to make you get a phone. I want to go fast and come and have a phone. Money for them. Samsung phone. Go walk back. Then phone. The whole team are red. I can go my half. My holiday. When you got to pull my market, I'm going to go fast. But my wife will come. Give me your address. Let me give you a phone. No one. If one of them call two, you give me a bastard. I'm going fake him, I'm going real. You're not fake, you're not real. You can't boys. I that first. It's all real, it's all fake. You're not real, you're not fake. I can't even real and fake you. I don't know if you see what I alone. Allah, they don't know a lot of work. I want one. I'm going for the Angosu now. My internet network is very bad. I watch. So what is that? The network lost point that our here. What kind big man? I got more about big man. More than two big man. If you have one, that's me from. That's me from. Your friend, why in there? Alright, listen. Watch this video now. You don't know him. You don't know him.
Yes, sir.
Listen.
Godwin, wouldn't be Godwin, surname. You know Godwin surname? You don't know? No, only Godwin you know. Hey, but that you and Godwin did become friend.
Dante.
Okay, if I give you something now, when you put for food, you put on me. You go give them a bit.
Yes, sir.
You give them a die.
Yes, sir.
You make money.
Yes, sir.
Good. You see, you get mine through. Shout money again.
Money.
Shout out.
Money.
Shout out.
Money.
Shout out.
Money.
You need money.
Yes, sir.
Wealth.
Yes, sir.
Good. Hey, are you praying? You cannot say no one use you. It's like you want use now. No use you. Money will just fool you. You got love. Sure you like him.
Yes, sir.
You don't want to use somebody.
Yes, sir.
He has strong. Your upper hand strong though.
Yes, sir.
Your upper hand don't strong knife, but don't die. So now God really want use.
Yes, sir.
Carry knife. Oh yeah, where they come.
Yes, sir.
If I say you shoot, God do it. Call him 4 times. Call him.
Godwin.
Carry your knife off now.
Godwin.
Lord will.
Godwin.
Say money.
Money.
Say computer.
Money.
Say computer.
Computer.
So if you shoot him now, you go. God don't go die, Abi.
Yes, sir.
If you make him die there,
Yes, sir.
but you get money.
Yes, sir.
You sure say you want, if you shoot him.
Yes, sir.
If you shoot him,
Yes, sir.
I took. You get mind though. So you want to come. So if God don't die now, make you get money. Give my life. Now you will use the money now. Then done. Now you will use. See that for a year, they're done.
Yes, sir.
You done now, why you want beg? And stop. As you won't kill your papa, your papa is strong. You won't kill God doing. See, now you will use. You know what I tell you so? Make it say as it is. Abi, as in get mind, use won't use God. You will use them now. What do you know? Why is I want to make you do so? You go to kill God, kill your papa. I will use them to experiment. You know what I answer?
My name is Oku.
Keep your knife, keep your glove. Like that, make I cut your head. That's okay, papa.
Kill your clothes.
Okay, papa.
Beg.
Okay, papa. Now make go to kill you now.
Beg.
You collect this knife, killer. Let's killer. What did you please?
Beg, sir. Beg, sir.
Why you begging me?
Beg, sir. Beg.
Why you won't beg me? Make me use you to the money. I want get money. Me where you come from.
Beg, sir.
No.
Beg, sir. Beg.
So if I allow you now, you kill your papa. Carry this mirror when I say your papa there inside this mirror. Carry clothes, cover up. See me you choke am, make him die. You do attempt, I collect my say your buyer is strong. Say now, okay, maybe who you want to bring again? Say now, what do you talk? Speak louder.
Say now, God dream.
Say now, what you?
God dream.
God will.
Yes, sir.
Now you want to use too money, have you?
Yeah, that's what he said.
That's what you said. Now, as you want to go do that, say hold on. But I don't want to make God die. Now him spirit say what we use.
Beg, sir.
Spirit say make I use you.
Beg, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Beg, sir.
Make I use you, make I use you.
Beg.
Spirit say that you will use.
Beg.
Why they beg me now? Why they beg me? Next time, yeah? No need here, they want to one ritual.
Yes, sir.
Come on, huh? Come on, pick your money so you put in the poala. Come on, put it in your head. Next time, try and come on, put your head up. See more why? Go back and use your head up. I'm the money ritual. Say, I'm not going to do the money ritual. Say, I'm not for lago. Say, I'm here for lago. People never. Come on, go back and use. Say, I'm here for lago. I'm here for winning. Say, I'm here. Here, wait, what I'm going to way. So, I'm here for lago. Sim so here for lago. I'm here for lago. Come knock up for head. Knock up like 10 times. You know what my killer? Knock up like 10 times for your head. Then I know you house, I'm working this one. Knock and well. Come on. Come on, knock and well. Come on, knock and well. Maya, knock and knock you. I am knock and well. Knock and well. Knock and well, knock and well. No. Knock and well. Knock and well. Copy is, you don't have like this, Ali. Eh? Why you? Knock and well. 10 times, it never even counts. Yeah, like this. Come on, knock and now lie. Never knock and well. Come on, put your hand. Knock and well, copy is. Like, oh, we'll go with me, good night. If you would night. And I won't have money, not even here. Now, Dodgy. Come on, knock and well. Look out. Resistance. Resistance.
ife ndị a bụ ife ụmụaka anyị na-emesi kịta maka ego ụwa abịazie a na-eme abịazie be dibịa ịbịazie dibịa eze bad orientation sị gị egbuo mmanya ma mpaghị igbusizie wee pụta ịtaba ya kpekpe ka ewu apịa amụ na eke achara afta ka imesizi ife niile n'akata ị ga-ema nweta mpaghị na mmanya anwụgo ikwu na ibe ya anago igbugo ndị bụ unu many of them many cases like this na dey post zikwa ma ndị post what if post ebe a na-abụ fake if na post bụ reality anaghị eme ndị mmadụ abịazi ibe m because abịa si na ngagbawa kamera ọgwụ ego ebe natago na side m ọ ndị na-akpọzụ na phone kita ezugo m ike everyday achọrọ inwe ego mmụọ agbakafụla gị nwere ego mmanwụ ụlọ m ọgwụ ego a ka ndị sharp owu a na-asa m na moto m ka fuel ọgwụ kịta na apaki bịa n'ụzọ na fonu m ka fonu m nwetara kọla na fonu m mụ na-agwara ya ọgwụ na fonu m etikasịgo look at my phone mana ebecha ka m gwa ọrụ ya ọgwụ ego n'enu fonu m anaghị eji abụọ mmadụ na-agwagodo ada agwara ya ọgwụ ego kịtụkpa gwụgwa ya afọ in fact ejebezi m Itali akpụleke mma apechasị mmadụ ka ngwara ọgwụ ego akpụleke because iwe ahụ na-afụkụzi mmụọ ọfụ afọrọ m ego anya sị m ka m gwọrọ ya ọgwụ ego nwere anya poverty pịa ya Itali mma pịa ya BP na-arụ because na nke bugoro agụụ na agwụgodo m in fact ife na afụbeghị mfe na agụrụ himself ma agwụgodo ada natụra m ga-esi megodo ije ụwa m ka ije ụwa m dị mma teta ụlọ ara 2 o'clock na-eche ije ụwa mmadụ akwara m kasị m ka m gwọọ ya ọgwụ ego ngwọziara ya ọgwụ ego wete mpaghị ka mmanya mpaghị nwụrụzi ya ana ya atụghị mana mpost vidio ndị a so many of you man share una man comment unu eburu iwe solo maka na abụ m dibịa mmegburu unu onwe m na anya ihe mekwanụ m dibịa na anya ebe a ngosi unu na anya efe ọ ndị a tinye m n'ija ọ inheritance ka m na-eme na ọ bụrụ na m eme dibịa na dibịa n'ofe egusi na ya ebe a maka ndị na-ekwu chọọ na ya efere ya ọfọ ndị a ka nji ọfọ ndị gboo ka nji nwere ife nwanne m nwee gwa Igbo onwe ife ọbụla niile ga-eme enye nwenye ya ego bụ je chọrọ ife ya alụ a ma abịa vidio kakwa nke ọ na mmụọ amụọ edeletigo vidio ahụ kọsị bụ na mmụọ adị edebe nwe ife ndị a bezon fonu m jụrụ delete ya mana m ga-egote flash destin na ka nne ede documentary ike so ụmụ m na-agba tụfa nwa ike na agwọta ife ekwe na-akpọ maka na ịmago na ife efu anyị na-eme bụ anyị edebelu ụmụ anyị yes o nwere nọ n'ụwa anụnwa ya epu elu anyị ya akakwa m nka na ụmụ anyị tekite position ife anyị na-eme ka m jụgodo ya ofu ajụjụ ndị bụ onye na-ekiri m ya mana ụmụ ife ọbụla ihe eme kịta anụ obere ezinụlọ gị maka na ịchọ ka iplize client bụ onye client mpụtara nke bụ client mbịa sị gị ka ndị ebeta isi mmadụ ka m gwọọrọ ya ọgwụ ụtụrụ gbagbuo ya ebe a ma gwọrọ ya ọgwụ isi mmadụ ka mma bịa so many videos ife na-eme o apụkwa ife m na-akụ ofu ka ihe ekwukọ Igbo ụmụazị na-abịasị be ndị dibịa ndị ibe mmasị na ọ na-achọ ịgwọ ọgwụ ego many of them ọ ga-amarịkwa ya ga-ama ngwọrọ ya ọgwụ ego ọkwa n'ime gbuo some of them anwụọ ọdụ ụgbọ ndị na-ejebe dibịa na-ana ụmụ ndị na-anwụ n'ije ahụ nwa ga-ejenwu maka na gịnị mee na nwa dibịa na onwe ya nyere pas o ya ezu ya rụọ ọrụ obodo were ndị nwa achọzi ọgwụ ego a wee bịa wee mee eksperimenti pas ọ chọrọ ọ bụ na mmadụ anaghị da ahụ were okwu a m na-ekwu wee rụọ ọrụ akpọ n'okwu asị akpọgodo m asị yes, I don't know how to save on Google. I don't know about internet too. I'm the one managing my internet by myself. That's why whenever you see me post too much grammar, I'm not office of Igbo. On the debate, no more about class, more about illegal. One of them because my man, I told them to follow Igbo on Facebook. Manage your own. No one then come. No one message 3 results. No one then come man. One day come man. The graduate. Next year kata mbedo university. Mbanya university ndego ba kwa kama nga bugodo English master. Zuma go na school English. Oko Igbo ka mara asolo na Facebook na ngosikwa na. Mpata na ngolo Igbo bido. Nkam na lecturer mo kasi anya mpata Facebook so ya.
Mi bomara
Mbo edio ibe ba no mara be surprise. And then my high there in Nigeria school as well. I'm not today, but because this man has changed. I'm not going to have a class. I'm going to go no near Papa. What fancy me? I'm feeling no more. I will speak English. I speak English. English. Of your support. I come here of your support. Often support. I put it to you. Ayala. And then got law. Law come back. One my temper. Blue week in this. I'm not in Oka, but I'm a medical board schools. Certificate is not a problem. I have my certificate. Says, even my grandmother only stay here. So for that certificate, talk about all that.
The secondly, my age, Ikapempe, Ngapumpe, he was a small boy. How many years kid? How many years I know are there? How many years kid? Yes, Madam. Now, in the ever, it is here on the street, from the Igbo State. You will see on the street, the West State of the was there. It wasn't going to live at all. It's in the wrong way. How will you want to survive? What is going to use? They will go around and tell us how long you go to the river. I mean, I'm going to be there. I want to go more horse like it. Yeah, now, this needs to use when you work it. Aba, get out of one. Joshua, get out of about the state. We use where you want. You want to go. What do you say? I don't know that. I'm over gas like you use it. You say use it there. I use it.
kuzimba kwa kauda ya ngike juwe mezuiva ngike juwe duwe mezuiva kwa
but happen like I'm living in them. So they don't know why you
mmadụ nyere mmụọ
mba wa ni ko to le mo ki dai ni so yi ani ba yi ni ma ile na na
ekpuchi gada keta ekpuchi gada mo ekpuchi ka we bidive ndị mmiri
Kebono. Mbaba blanca noro so. Enga be nyu poki bo bia. Mba telo kambia. Ayo yusu ngiwa. Ko ko dego. Onna bana meze ngwa me man nam. O ko dego ngiwa. Abo mma. O so lo ko. Dem ma ba. Ngwa. Ha? Ego man leku. Wo ya ga di sho. Ale kuyare. Ha? Ale kuyare. Ya now, no, I just did. Gracias. What? Give us your 10 times. Gracias. Boya. 10 times. It's a walk it out. You will go. Huh? Get what you say, Morning. Are we there? Don't you wake up? I am marketing a work at a book. You see, you been well. No, you want to see. You will be a second. Is that what you okay, now. You will listen. Why is ready? Boy, I can. Is ready? Where do we go? Another show. Is ready? Okay, now. 225. Okay, we done never. So, okay, now no we go. Come along, Ego. So now, I get with you and go and wait.
So, like down as forgot all. Like down.
I want to do it.
No, ma, come on,
Kawala ngene, kerebi sibia.
no, ma, I'm almost dead.
Almost dead.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you chibu mwana kwa haki we blogaranya. Okay, now you chibu nya ki we blogaranya ngiwa ga hu seketa. boy here, Bakata. Now phone number, I can't use video. Chimarin Temple, of Yafalago, of Yabute. Now, never big post on his back, okay? Share this video. Share this video all over the world. But now, come on, I can't use you. I can't try your faith. I'm going to put your Akwa easy. I will have one with the so if you guys say you have to put your you will only. Come on, give it. So you can take your faith. You are using you. Akwa uncle was spiritual cloth of Muzanga. I don't know why talk on this. Yeah, so I go what out. Everyone's going to wait in your where on Bogia. Osbo. Oh yeah. Count money. For money. See money. Is a man what where? Money. What where? Where on one? No bagay. Huh? Where is what I'm going to do? The matter is that. Okay, what did when the grandmother is talking, don't talk.
They're bringing him to our bank.
Okay, get up. I'm
Our bank, I think,
I'll be moving. I've got that for the 20 laws. Where do you fly back at that? I will go.
Our bank. Come to our bank, boys. So please learn. Thank you for watching me. This is Chimaren Temple of Yafalago. Like and share. I love you guys. My phone